I wanted to do a little sunrise meditation with you guys. Look at that coming up. So let's just take some deep breaths together. On this day after Mercury retrograde, this day after all the heavy energies that we've been facing recently. Just breathing in through your nose. Seeing if you can hear the birds. Seeing if you can see the sun. And just feeling that sun. Feeling that sun in every single cell of your being. Feeling that sun in your heart. Allowing your heart's energy to expand. Allowing each cell within your body to have golden light, healed by the sun. Releasing any cells that are no longer serving you. And breathing in love. And breathing out gratitude for this magnificent body that you have. This magnificent life that we live, no matter where you are on the planet. You have breath, you have life, you have your mind that you can control. You have your mind, your beautiful, beautiful mind that can tell your body how to fix itself, how to love itself, how to bring total health and wellness into every single cell. So whether you are experiencing life challenges or experiencing illnesses, tell your body it's going to be okay. Inform your light body. Inform your physical body. Use the sun. Use your breath. Use yourself. Use the light that you are. Use the love that is within us all. The love that is within us all. Use that love. Use your magic for yourself instead of against yourself. Breathing in light. Breathing out any darkness. Breathing in light. And breathing out any darkness. Repair your own DNA. Repair your own self. By mind, body, spirit. Be the light. Be the love that this planet needs right now more than ever before. I love you all. Peace.